name is Arham, and welcome to my channel. In my channel, I post all educational videos. I understand all parents try to control our TV or YouTube time, and my parents are no different. I promise you will not regret watching my channel. And your parents won't be having any objection for watching us learning new topics each week. You have noticed, all my videos have a test link in the description box, so you can test your knowledge after watching the video. Hi friends! Today I'm gonna talk about some interesting facts. I promise you'll be so amazed knowing those facts. So let's go ahead with any further ado. Number 1. Who doesn't like tomatoes? Tomatoes are the most versatile key ingredient for many recipes. But for 200 years, through the end of the 19th century, most Europeans avoided consuming tomatoes. They were believed to cause sickness and death, especially among members of the upper social classes. Do you know why? Let me tell you. Wealthy Europeans used pewter plates to serve food, which contained high lead content. Because tomatoes were naturally very acidic, when placed on pewter plates, the fruit would leach lead, which often resulted in terminal lead poisoning. Number 2. Do you know why planet Mars is red in color? Because it's made up of rusted iron. There must be a lot of iron and oxygen combined together to form iron oxide or rusted iron, which gives the rusty dust clouds that float around Mars. So how did Mars end up with all this iron oxide floating around? Iron alone is not red. To become iron oxide, it needs to react with a good amount of oxygen. As we know, Mars only has a tiny percentage of oxygen in its atmosphere. So how did this happen? It's not very much clear how very little oxygen produces that much of iron oxide. The one thing that does tell us at some point of history, there was a lot more oxygen on Mars. Number 3. Do you know scientists think that the coldest temperature possible is negative 459.67 degrees Fahrenheit. It can't go beyond that because at this temperature, atoms would stop moving. Hence, the temperature cannot go down further. Number 4. Do you know the coldest livable temperature where you can survive is negative 96 degrees Fahrenheit? It seems humans can survive up to this temperature. Number 5. Once in Antarctica, negative 192 degrees Fahrenheit temperature was recorded at Russia's Vostok station in July 1983. For this, Russia was in the Guinness World Record for the coldest temperature ever recorded so far. Number 6. Do you know how many zeros is in nonillion? 1 nonillion is 1 with 30 zeros. Do you know any nonillionaires like billionaires and millionaires on Earth? I didn't know that either. The wealthiest person so far in billions, which is 9 zeros. Jeff Bezos of Amazon is the wealthiest person in the world, worth $131 billion. Number 7. Have you noticed frogs feel slimy because their skin is covered in layers of mucus? This mucus helps the skin retain moisture, which frogs need to breathe and stay hydrated. Frogs don't drink water. Instead, they absorb it through their skin. Frogs also use their skin to breathe. A layer of mucus on his skin helps keep moisture trapped next to it. And this moisture transfers oxygen into the frog's body. Also, frog skin is known to secrete peptides that defend them against bacteria. It was first discovered that frogs had a special way of warding off bacteria and other pathogens. In ancient Russia, when live Russian brown frogs were dropped into milk to keep the milk from going bad. In 2012, scientists took the particular frog and wanted to know, why do these frogs keep milk fresh? It turns out when you shock a frog or stress them, they secrete these peptides into their surroundings. A majority of peptides were antibacterial, and some of them kill the things that make milk go bad. That's all for today. I hope you had a good time. Let me know in the comments which fact you find more interesting. Hope to see you next time. Till then, goodbye!